let's be really quiet, okay? These are the worst conditions I've ever seen. God, you know this. This is hideous. Look at this one. Right, let's get them out of here. What was that? Are you getting this?
Why don't you give me an hand and we'll get it done, won't we?
Driver, you're the delivery boy.
That one's getting away. Look. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, let's go.